Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need an internet link first, so plug the VU TV into Ethernet or join 4/5 GHz Wi-Fi, check the IP address in network settings. Once done, launch the built-in browser or the WebView application included in firmware. Make sure it's up to date. You must also pair a USB keyboard or enable the remotes on screen keyboard to type queries. After these steps, open a new tab, set focus to the address bar, and prepare to enter your search. You'll type Google.com into the address bar and press enter. That opens Google's search page. Next, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+L to jump to the address bar quickly, backspace to correct, and enter to submit a query. To get precise results, enclose phrases in quotes, add a minus sign to exclude terms, and use operators such as cite, domain, or file type, PDF. These filters work the same on TV browsers. Make sure to scroll results with the remote or arrow keys. After search results appear, move focus to a result and press enter or OK to open it. On some builds, you can long press to open a new tab. If pages render poorly, switch to desktop mode or clear the browser cache and settings to resolve layout problems. If Google won't load, reboot the router and VU TV, then verify DNS settings and apply any firmware updates. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling between Ethernet and Wi-Fi often restores connectivity quickly, so try that first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.